Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna share how I got my AdSense approval for my website, being rejected for 3 times and started earning from the website. So if you want to learn how to get AdSense approval for your website and make earnings, then please do watch this full video because I'm gonna share all the experience that I faced. And I am Nitish, and let's get started to the video. Actually, my application for AdSense approval was rejected for 3 times, and I learned various things and I made corrections, and I just again applied for that. So in this video I am gonna share all those things, that what corrections should you make to get your approval, what I learned from all my mistakes. So I'm gonna share all those things to get approval for your website. And wait, by the way, if you want to learn how to make website, how to earn through website, how to manage it, how to run it, then you can comment down below. I'll be making website series in my channel, and I'll share all those things with you. Okay, let's get back to our topic. Okay, so first of all, I made the website in Blogger, and I bought a domain, and again started uploading the content in my website. And then after 1.5 months I applied for the AdSense approval, and my application was rejected for the first time with the message this. Nothing was mentioned in the message, but only the thing was like you need to fix something, but what to fix, nothing was there. I just did everything best from my side, but the application was rejected. Then again I applied for the approval, and again the application was rejected with the same message. Then I started exploring all those things, and I made various changes in my website. I just improved various things, and then I applied, and then I got AdSense approval. Okay, so now let's come to the main point at how I got approval actually. And from most of the people I heard that your domain must be 6 months older, but believe me, it's not the fact. You can get AdSense approval within 1 month, 2 months as you upload the content. Okay, now what are the changes that I made for my website before submitting it for approval? So that will be on the point. I'll be sharing all those things in points, so I'm not going to count that point. Okay, the point will be there, you can find, and you just can note down all those points because it is very necessary, and you should make this amendment in your website. So let's start. If you seriously want to get AdSense approval, then you must need high level paid domain. Okay, that is .com, .org, .in, .us, etc. In that way you have to buy, but I heard approval are given to the like blogger subdomain, that is .blogspot.com, that also. But if it is best and better, it is best to buy high level domain for your website. You must have SSL certification for your hosting. Google considered this, and you must need this. And if your website is in Blogger, then you just don't need to worry because it itself provide SSL certification. But it's on WordPress, then you will have to buy SSL certification. Okay, so the main thing is your niche should be selected. That is, if you are making your website blog on the topic of like physical fitness, then your blog should be considered with this topic only. Like music, then music only. You shouldn't mess up all those things, and your content should be unique, that is by you only, and it should not be copied from anywhere. The content should be of yours. You must be regular to your uploading. That does not mean daily, but the gap you are maintaining, the gap you are giving should be maintained. It's not like that if you upload today and after 1 week, after 2 weeks. But if you are uploading within gap of 2 days, just maintain that. Upload within 2 days, 3 days, but gap should be maintained, and that is the main thing that Google see. And another is your article length should be more than 500 to 600 words. Like in some of the case, some of the article you can just go below that, but try your best to go above that, above 600 words, 500 words. Then it will be better, and it will also be better for SEO, that is search engine optimization. And now the next thing that you must maintain or must make change in your website is must make some of the header menu and categorize your website. You must categorize those points, those topics, and make categorization in your website. That is most necessary thing you should do. Okay, the main thing, and that is mostly mandatory for getting AdSense approval, that is you must make some of the pages and add in your website. That is about us, contact us, privacy and policy, terms and condition pages, and like you can also make disclaimer pages and sitemap. You can make, or you can just leave it. Okay, I'll be talking about this topic at last, and why you need to make and when you need to make. Okay, and at last you must have just submitted your website to Google Search Console, because and have done manually indexing to all of your articles. Like you should have to index all those articles. It is very helpful for you. Only you will get better search engine optimization for your articles, and your article may rank because of that, and that is necessary for getting AdSense approval. You have to manually index your articles blog in Google Search Console. You will have to add that, and if you have not added that, then just do this, because this is very important. Most of the Google AdSense approval are not been given to many of the website because of this only. So just add your website to Google Search Console and manually index. You can find various video for that as well. So these were the points I was talking about, and you should make these corrections in your website and should apply for your Google AdSense approval. And if you get rejected, then you just upload 2 or 3 posts again. If you all those things are just maintained and you have done all these corrections, then upload 2 or 3 posts and apply to Google AdSense. And again, if you get rejected, then I was talking about that sitemap. Just make a sitemap page and upload to your website. Categorize it in a footer menu or header menu, and anywhere you want. Some of the extra tip I would like to give you, like you must not leave any page blank and post it. Like any page is like error, then you should remove that page and then only apply for Google AdSense. So if you do all those tricks, follow all those tips and make corrections, surely you will get AdSense approval. And in this way only I got my AdSense approval. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then hit that like button. If you are new over here, then subscribe, and if you want video on website series, then please comment down below and get subscribed to this channel, because I'll be bringing such videos again. Thank you very much for watching.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.